When it comes to achieving luminous, healthy-looking skin, aside from daily double cleansing and the moisturising basics, regular exfoliation and use of masks is a real surefire way to get skin smooth and glowing. However, you might find it hard to stick to regular use of exfoliants and masks, or perhaps you remember to exfoliate regularly but you don't always follow with a mask. Dermalogica are excited to announce a truly unique product that exfoliates and hydrates in one customizable formula, and it's suitable for all skin conditions. Feel the spheres with new Hydro Masque Exfoliant, a hydrating and exfoliating 5-minute mask that smooths and renews for luminous, healthy looking skin. If you suffer with dull or flaky skin or dryness or dehydration, you may reach for hydrating and nourishing masks to help remedy these symptoms. But if you haven't exfoliated first, dead cell buildup can act as a barrier for hydrating ingredients to absorb effectively. So the quickest and easiest way to smooth and renew your skin is with an exfoliant. Exfoliating the skin removes dulling dead skin cells that accumulate on the surface, but then that helps to prime the skin for optimal absorption of hydrating products to follow. But did you know it's critical to replenish that lost moisture in the barrier within 60 seconds after exfoliating? So with Hydro Masque Exfoliant, you don't need to worry about applying two separate formulas, as it combines both regimen steps in one. Hydro Masque Exfoliant offers you a personalised way to exfoliate via the unique touch-activated bamboo spheres. You can move the spheres to the areas you need more exfoliation, so where your skin is drier or rough in texture. The ultra-fine bamboo particles dissolve upon activation, delivering a gentle level of exfoliation. These touch-activated bamboo spheres also contain a hydrating polysaccharide and glycerin to protect the skin's moisture barrier. The Hydro Cream base of the mask contains lots of wonderfully hydrating ingredients to deliver long-lasting moisture and barrier-restoring properties. We've got snow mushroom, which holds 450 times its weight in water, so it acts like hyaluronic acid, infusing the skin with hydration, but it's also rich in antioxidants and vitamin D. The mask also contains jojoba ester and amino acids derived from sugar beets to hydrate and strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and it's got cucumber extract to provide a smoothing and soothing, refreshing finish. In clinical studies, Hydro Masque Exfoliant is proven to give a smoother feeling and more hydrated skin after just one use, with 80% of consumers saying their skin felt smoother and they liked the appearance of their skin. To use, apply generously to cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area. Massage in circular motions until the spheres disappear, concentrating on areas that are in need of exfoliation. And then let the mask activate for 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. You can then follow with your serums and moisturiser. And you would use this once or twice a week. To get your customizable mask experience, visit feelthespheres.com, take a selfie, and the AI technology will assess your skin and detect the areas of dryness or rough texture, indicating where to migrate the touch-activated bamboo spheres to in order to prime the skin with exfoliation. The widget also has a built-in 5-minute timer to make sure you leave on the Hydro Cream base to deeply hydrate and restore the skin. Feel the spheres and get luminous, healthy-looking skin.